The heater's on right now, just so you probably can't hear me, but I can. Now for the tricky part, the door jams. Normally I have a tool for this called the sasser cut. Basically it's a blade with a circle thing. You put it onto a door jam and it'll cut it. I don't like using this too much because it's just harder to control, and it's a pretty strong big blade, so if you miss, it's a pretty deep scratch. So we're going to be using not this blade but this blade. So this is just a normal NT cutter blade, but what I do, because it has a circular edge, what I do is just I bring out the blade a little bit and I use it to guide it when I cut like this, and I just cut. All right, so I didn't really get much done today. It is 1 o'clock. I have to go to T-Mobile to get a new phone. Look at that. You can see it. So this happened while it was in a life-proof case. Life-proof. Do not buy cheap off-brand cases. The front is just a screen protector. I'm gonna get a new phone and a haircut because this lineup is crazy. And then hopefully I'll come back if it's not too late and then start working on the calipers. Let's check that out. All right, got my new phone, but more importantly, got a haircut. ¿Qué dijiste?
Nada.
Camera shy? Dime qué pasó. ¿Cómo lo encontraste el carro?
No, pues es una porquería de trabajo que le hicieron en otro lado. La verdad que yo no entiendo cómo hacen estas cosas personas. Un trabajo así que no debe de ser, la verdad. Eso es una porquería de trabajo, ¿ve? Todo lleno de bondo, todo esto, todo eso. Todo el carro está lleno de... Y es un buen año el carro, es bonito el carro, buen carrito, pero bien.
You have to fix it? You have to fix it.
Sí, I'm fixing it.
Essentially what he was saying was basically that quality is not that great in other shops. So that one was heavily bonded, wasn't repaired properly. I've seen the same thing with wraps, paint. It's all the same thing. When you go to a cheaper shop, that's kind of what you're gonna get. It's a reason why my schedule is usually always full. People prefer to come to me because regardless, it's just gonna be better than average work. You go to anywhere on the street, the super sale price, it's always gonna come with that result of lower quality. And I'm not the best. I know I've seen the best of the best, and I'm far from that, but from where I stand, I try my best to be the best that I can be. So yeah, that was just one caliper that we finished. We trimmed everything and now we can start on the other side. I just finished the design for the front bumper and the rear bumper, get that printed, and then it's a new day.